So I make a quick video before it gets dark. It's about, what, 5:20? Anyway, so it gets dark soon. I just got a CR10 version 3. I always wanted one. I got the CR10S Pro and the CR10S Pro version 2. And I'm so sick of all these fucking sensors and BL Touch and all that. I just wanted a bloody printer that you just level the knobs and that's it. None of this touching, the probe touching, all over every time you want to do a print. It's ridiculous. But look, it's got direct drive, which is pretty cool. And the control box is off to the side. And look, I'll quickly show you another one I got yesterday. There's the Ender 5 Pro. This is the Ender 5 Plus. Look how much bigger it is. You thought that was big. Whoa! That's big. Anyway, see ya.